Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you are healthy. Yeah, okay, this time we are going to learn about describing people. Ya, tentang mendeskripsikan seseorang. Kemudian how to ask someone's physical appearance. Bagaimana menanyakan ciri-ciri fisik seseorang. And then how to ask someone's personality. Bagaimana caranya menanyakan sifat seseorang. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Okay, we can describe people in 3 ways. Kita bisa mendeskripsikan seseorang dengan 3 cara. Okay, the first one is describing someone's appearance, mendeskripsikan ciri fisik seseorang. And then the second one, describing someone's personality, ya, mendeskripsikan sifat-sifat seseorang. And then the third one, describing someone's feeling, ya, dengan cara mendeskripsikan apa yang sedang orang tersebut rasakan. Okay, let's discuss one by one. Okay, the first one, describing someone's appearance. Ya, ketika kalian ingin mendeskripsikan ciri-ciri fisik seseorang, ya, we can start with the general features. Kita bisa mulai dengan ciri-ciri umumnya dulu. For example, height, tingginya, ya, apakah dia tinggi, sedang atau pendek. And then build, badannya apakah kekar, ya, atau biasa saja. Age, umurnya, okay. Apakah masih bayi, okay, atau about teens, 20s, 30s, apakah masih berumur belasan, 20-an, 30-an, okay. And then move to the more specific ones, ya. Setelah generalnya sudah disebutkan, kalian pindah ke sesuatu yang lebih spesifik, such as hair, rambut misalnya, apakah panjang, pendek, keriting, ya, bergelombang, okay, berwarna hitam, apakah itu pirang, gitu ya. And then eyes, apakah dia itu bulat, sipit, berwarna hitam, coklat atau biru, okay. Nose, hidungnya apakah mancung, pesek, ya, dan lain sebagainya, lebih ke spesifik, okay. Ya, take a look at this example. Lihat contoh berikut ini, okay. There is a picture, ya, ada gambar seorang ibu, mother, a father, and a boy. Nah, sang boy ini, anak laki-laki ini, mencoba untuk mendeskripsikan ayahnya. Kita baca bersama, okay. My father is tall. He is handsome. He is 40 years old. He has short, straight black hair. He has beard on his face. He has a thick black mustache. His eyes are black. His nose is pointed. Jadi ayahnya tinggi, kemudian handsome, okay. Kemudian he is about 40 years old, umurnya 40 tahun. Kemudian rambutnya short, pendek, straight, lurus, dan berwarna hitam. Okay, and then he has beard on his face, beard, ya, beard. Kemudian thick black mustache, ada kumisnya di sini. Kemudian matanya berwarna hitam dan hidungnya mancung. Seperti itu. Ini adalah contoh bagaimana mendeskripsikan seseorang dari physical appearance, ciri-ciri fisiknya. Next, describing someone's character or personality. Jadi dari karakter seseorang atau sifat seseorang, ya. Apakah dia itu pemarah, apakah dia baik hati, penyabar, dermawan, gitu ya, periang, ya. Oke. Kita lihat contohnya. Okay, my father is a good person. He is wise. He is a hardworking, honest man. He is always generous to my mother and me. He loves us so much. Jadi, ayahku adalah seorang yang baik, good person. He is wise, bijak. Kemudian a hardworking, pekerja keras, jujur, Ya, laki-laki yang bekerja keras dan jujur, kemudian generous, dermawan. Ini adalah contoh bagaimana mendeskripsikan seseorang dari karakternya atau personality. Oke, the third one, describing someone's feelings and emotion. Ya, jadi apa yang sering dia rasakan, seperti apa suasana hatinya, perasaannya, gitu ya. Take a look at this example. My father is happy and blessed working as an entrepreneur. He is always excited to go to his office. Ya, jadi ayahku happy, bahagia, blessed, selalu bersyukur ya, bekerja sebagai seorang entrepreneur atau wirausahawan. He is always excited, dia selalu excited, selalu bersemangat to go to his office, seperti itu. Mudah sekali ya. Oke, let's describe people. Kita akan berarti bagaimana caranya mendeskripsikan seseorang. Oke, look at this picture. Her name is Sarah. He is 5 years old. She is my sister. Ya, anggap saja she is my sister. Okay? She is Sarah. She is 5 years old. Oke, kalian cermati bentuk rambutnya seperti apa, hidungnya, matanya, ya, wajahnya, badannya. Oke? Kalau sudah, kalian akan mencoba merangkai sebuah kalimat. Oke, nah, I have done it for you. Oke. Let's see, she is my sister. Her name is Sarah. She is 5 years old. She is beautiful and cute. She has short curly hair. Her hair is blonde. She is thin. She has round eyes. And then she is cheerful and friendly. She is always excited to play a part. Jadi namanya Sarah, umurnya 5 tahun. Oke, gendernya sudah kita sebutkan. Kemudian we move to specific one. Kita lebih ke spesifik lagi. Ke wajahnya, she is beautiful and cute. Jadi dia cantik dan imut. Kemudian rambutnya short curly. Ya, short curly. Jadi pendek, bergelombang. Kemudian blonde, warnanya pirang. Kemudian badannya ya thin, kurus. Kemudian matanya bulat, round ya, and then she is cheerful and friendly. Ini personality-nya. Kemudian she is always excited. Ini adalah feelings. Oke, mudah sekali kan? Oke, now how to ask someone's appearance. Bagaimana ketika kalian ingin menanyakan penampilan seseorang? Ya, ketika kalian ingin mengenal lebih dekat, ya, misalnya ibu dari teman kalian atau saudara dari teman kalian, bagaimana kalian akan menanyakan tentang ciri-ciri fisiknya? Okay? You can ask, what does she look like? What does she look like? Jika itu perempuan. Atau what does he look like? Jika itu laki-laki. Oke, atau bisa menggunakan pertanyaan yang kedua, yaitu how does she look like? Atau how does he look like? Okay, take a look at this example. What does Song Joong Ki look like? Seseorang menanyakan ciri-ciri fisiknya Song Joong Ki. Dia bilang, what does Song Joong Ki look like? And then her friends answer, he is tall, slim, and has a handsome face. Ya, karena ada pertanyaan seperti itu, otomatis nanti dia menjawab ciri-ciri fisiknya, ya, dengan tall, slim, and handsome face. Oke. Nah sekarang, bagaimana kalau ingin menanyakan sifat seseorang? How to ask someone's personality? You can say, what is she like? Jika itu perempuan yang ingin ditanyakan. Atau what is he like? Jika laki-laki yang ingin ditanyakan. Oke, kita lihat contohnya ya. What is your father like? What is your father like? Oke, seperti apa ayahmu? Oke, seperti apa ayahmu? Maka kamu bisa menjawab, misalnya he is kind and talkative. Jadi yang dijawab informasi yang diberikan adalah personality atau sifatnya, karakternya. Oke, gampang ya? Oke, nah supaya kalian lebih paham lagi bagaimana menggunakan how does he look like, ya, what is he like, ya. Kalian bisa mencermati video berikut ini.
Dialogue 1.
Hi, Samir. What are you doing here? Hi, Andrews. I'm looking for my uncle. He just moved to this town. I'm afraid he doesn't know the way back home. Well, let me help you. How does he look like? He is about 50s. He is tall and thin. He has short brown hair. He is wearing blue shirt. I think I saw your uncle. He is around a bakery shop. Wow, really? Yay, of course. Thank you, Andrews. My pleasure.
Dialogue 2.
So, where are we going, Sarah?
We are going to my father's office.
Your father's office? What for?
He left his documents at home. My mother asked me to deliver those documents.
Okay then. By the way, what is your father like?
He is kind and a hard-working man. He is also friendly.
How lucky daughter you are.
Thank you, Aaron.
Oke, watch the videos again then answer the question. Kalian lihat satu kali lagi video berikut ini kemudian jawab pertanyaannya. Oke?
Dialogue 1.
Hi, Samir. What are you doing here? Hi, Andrews. I'm looking for my uncle. He just moved to this town. I'm afraid he doesn't know the way back home. Well, let me help you. How does he look like? He is about 50s. He is tall and thin. He has short brown hair. He is wearing blue shirt. I think I saw your uncle. He is around a bakery shop. Wow, really? Yay, of course. Thank you, Andrews. My pleasure.
Oke, quiz time. Question number 1. How does Samir's uncle look like? How does Samir's uncle look like?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yay, you are right. The answer is, he is about 50s. He is tall and slim. He is short brown hair. Okay, question 2.
Dialogue 2.
So, where are we going, Sarah?
We are going to my father's office.
Your father's office? What for?
He left his documents at home. My mother asked me to deliver those documents.
Okay then. By the way, what is your father like?
He is kind and a hard-working man. He is also friendly.
How lucky daughter you are.
Thank you, Aaron.
Okay, what does Arin ask about Sarah's father's personality? What does Arin ask about Sarah's father's personality?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yeah, good job. The answer is, what is your father like? What is your father like? Okay, everyone, that's all for our discussion today about describing someone. Okay, see you on the next topic and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.